Did you know that warehouses lose an average of $390,000 every year due to inefficient tracking and handling? Yet, in today's rapid-fire logistics world, where global e-commerce is growing at a 14.8% annually, precision isn't optional, it is survival. Welcome to the world of handling units in SAP S/4HANA, where over 85,000 warehouses worldwide are revolutionizing their operations. Here's something that will catch your attention. Organizations using advanced HU management report a staggering 67% reduction in picking errors and a 43% increase in warehouse efficiency. But here is what is really interesting. While 94% of supply chain leaders say accurate inventory tracking is critical for success, only 28% are satisfied with their current systems. That gap? That is your opportunity. In the next few minutes, I will show you why industry leaders are achieving 3x better inventory visibility, how automated HU management reduces handling errors by 91%, and the game-changing features driving a 96% satisfaction rate among warehouse managers. Whether you're managing a bustling e-commerce fulfillment center processing 10,000 orders daily, or overseeing a manufacturing warehouse handling complex assemblies, what you're about to learn will transform your logistics operations. Ready to join the logistic revolution? Let us dive into the power of handling units in SAP S/4HANA, where every package tells a story and every movement matters. The future of warehouse management starts now. In today's agenda, we will see introduction to handling units, then we will move to movements and management points in handling units, then we would come to best practices and troubleshooting, and finally we have advanced trends and features. Handling units are essential in logistics, combining materials and packaging into one manageable unit. Learn how this concept simplifies shipping, storage, and tracking, improving efficiency across the supply chain. Start mastering it today. Have you ever wondered how Amazon efficiently manages millions of packages daily? Well, in the SAP world, we have a similar superhero called handling units, or HUs for short. These are the unsung heroes of warehouse management that make complex logistics look like a walk in the park. Handling units in SAP S/4HANA are essentially smart containers that help you track and move materials throughout your supply chain. Think of them as magical boxes that not only hold your products but also carry important information about what's inside, where they're going, and how they should be handled. By using HUs, companies can dramatically reduce errors, speed up warehouse operations, and keep track of their inventory with incredible accuracy. Whether you're dealing with pallets, boxes, or containers, HUs make sure everything moves smoothly from point A to point B. They are not just containers, they are your ticket to logistics excellence, ensuring compliance with regulations and setting the stage for automation in your warehouse. Picture walking into a warehouse and seeing different types of containers, some big, some small, some nested inside others. That's exactly what we're going to explore now. In the world of SAP S/4HANA, not all handling units are created equal. Let us start with the standard HUs. These are your everyday heroes like pallets, boxes, or crates. They are the workhorses of the warehouse. Then we have nested HUs. Imagine Russian dolls where small containers fit inside larger ones, creating an organized hierarchy of packages. Empty HUs might seem unimportant, but tracking them is crucial for planning return logistics and ensuring you always have containers available when needed. Some HUs are social butterflies, mixing different materials in one unit. We call this mixed HUs. On the flip side, homogeneous HUs are like exclusive clubs containing only one type of material. For special cases like hazardous materials, we have special HUs with specific handling requirements. Lastly, virtual HUs exist in the system for planning purposes, helping you stimulate and optimize your logistics process. Let us crack open the code of handling units and peek inside. The structure of an HU might seem complex at first, but once you understand it, everything clicks into place. At its core, every HU has a packaging material. This defines its physical properties. Think of it as the HU's DNA. What makes it truly useful is what goes inside, the content items. These are assigned with specific quantities and units of measure. But here's where it gets interesting. HUs can have relationships, just like a family tree. A large HU can be a parent to several small HUs, creating a nested structure that's both practical and logical. Each HU is also linked to a specific location in your warehouse through storage bin assignment. As HUs move through your supply chain, their status changes, telling you exactly where they are in their journey. The system automatically calculates weight and volume, so you always know if you're within safe limits. To make sure everything is packed correctly, packaging instructions guide warehouse staff through the proper assembly process. Imagine being able to create a smart container with just a few clicks. That's exactly what we're going to show you now. Creating handling units in SAP S/4HANA is like building with high-tech Lego blocks. The main way to manually create HUs is through transaction SCWM HUCRE. Think of it as your HU factory. But here's the cool part. During goods receipt, the system can automatically create HUs for you like magic. When creating an HU, you will need some essential information. The type of packaging material, is it a box, a pallet, or what's going inside, and how much of it. You can also add extra details like serial numbers or batch numbers if needed. For those working in the warehouse, you can create HUs right from RF devices. No need to run back to a computer. Need to create many HUs at once? No problem. There's a mass creation feature for that. And if you often create similar HUs, you can use templates to speed things up. It is all about making your life easier while keeping everything organized and efficient. Ever lost your luggage at an airport? Well, proper identification could have prevented that. In SAP S/4HANA, we make sure every handling unit has a foolproof ID system. First off, each HU gets a unique number. Think of it as the HU's fingerprint. No two HUs will ever have the same number. But we don't stop there. We generate barcodes for each HU, making them scannable and traceable throughout their journey. These barcodes aren't just any random pattern. They follow GS1 standards, the global language of business. For hands-free identification, we can also use RFID tags like EZPass for your HUs. The beauty of this system is its flexibility. You can identify HUs by scanning, manually entering numbers, or using RFID readers. Each HU also carries status indicators giving you a quick visual cue about its condition or restrictions. And when you need to find specific HUs, powerful search tools help you locate them in seconds. It's like having a GPS for every container in your warehouse. Ready to become an HU management ninja? Let us unlock the power of SAP transactions. Think of these transactions as your Swiss Army knife for handling HUs. First up is SCWM HUMOD, your go-to tool for modifying HUs. Need to change contents or update attributes? This is your transaction. Creating new HUs is a breeze with SCWM or HUCRE system. It's like a birth certificate for handling units. Curious about an HU's life story? SCWM or HUDIS shows you all the details and history like a Facebook timeline for your containers. When it's time to move HUs around the warehouse, SCWM or HUMVE is your transportation manager. Sometimes you need to split an HU into smaller units. SCWM or HUSPL handles that like a pro. On the flip side, SCWM HUMER lets you merge multiple HUs into one, perfect for consolidation. And when you're dealing with outbound deliveries, VL060 shows you exactly HUs are heading out the door. These transactions are your command center, giving you complete control over your HU universe. Ever heard the saying, no man is an island? Well, no SAP module is an island either. Handling units in S4 HANA are master collaborators, working seamlessly with multiple modules to create logistics harmony. At the heart of it all is Extended Warehouse Management, EWM, providing the core functionality for HU management. But the collaboration doesn't stop there. Materials Management, MM, works hand in hand with HUs for goods movements and inventory management. When it's time to ship products to customers, Sales and Distribution, SD, takes the lead, processing outbound deliveries with HUs. Production Planning, PP, ensures smooth sailing for HUs in the production environment, from component supply to finished goods received. Quality Management, QM, keeps a watchful eye, performing inspections on HUs when needed. Transportation Management, TM, plans the journey of HUs beyond your warehouse walls. Even Plant Maintenance, PM, gets in on the action, using HUs for handling maintenance materials. It's like a well-orchestrated symphony, with each module playing its part to perfection. Unlock the secrets to optimizing logistics with expert management of handling units. Learn key movements and essential control points that streamline operations, reduce errors, and enhance efficiency in your supply chain process. Get ready to see how we make HUs dance across the warehouse floor. Moving handling units efficiently is an art form, and SAP S/4HANA is your choreographer. First, let's talk about put away. The system uses smart strategies based on HU characteristics to decide the best storage location. It's like a high-stakes game on Tetris. When it's time to pick HUs for outbound delivery, optimize processes, ensure your warehouse staff takes the most efficient route. As HUs move within the warehouse, the system tracks every step in real time. No HU goes missing on our watch. One of the coolest features is cross-docking, where incoming HUs are immediately directed to outbound areas, saving time and storage space. The system automatically generates transfer orders for HU movements like a GPS, giving turn-by-turn directions to your warehouse staff. For maximum efficiency, Wave Management lets you optimize the picking of multiple HUs at once. And if you have automated warehouse equipment, SAP integrates seamlessly with these systems, creating a ballet of perfectly coordinated movements. Quality isn't just a buzzword. It's a crucial part of handling unit management. Let us explore how SAP S/4HANA helps you maintain the highest standards for your HUs. When HUs arrive or are created, the system can automatically generate inspection lots. Think of them as quality checkpoints. Each HU can have different quality statuses. Blocked if there's an issue, restricted if it needs special handling, or free if it's good to go. Need to inspect a large batch? The system helps you manage samples efficiently, so you don't need to check every single item. If something's not quite right, the quality notification process kicks in, tracking the issue until it's resolved. Dealing with non-conforming HUs? We have got the procedures for that too, ensuring problem items don't slip through the cracks. Every quality check is documented, creating a clear audit trail. And when an HU is blocked, there are specific release procedures to follow before it can rejoin the regular workflow. It's like having a quality control team working 24/7, making sure every HU meets your standards. Let us talk about keeping count, because in the world of handling units, accuracy is everything. Inventory management with HUs in SAP S/4HANA is like having a superpower to know exactly what you have, where it is, and in what condition. Physical inventory becomes a breeze when you count by HU instead of counting individual items. You can verify entire containers at once. Smart cycle counting strategies ensure you're regularly checking your stock without disrupting operations. When discrepancies pop up, and they will, the system helps you process and adjust them quickly and accurately. HUs can be classified using ABC analysis, helping you focus your attention where it matters most. Need to know what's in stock? Inventory reporting by HU gives you a crystal clear picture. Sometimes you need to adjust stock levels. There are specific procedures for that, ensuring every change is tracked and documented. And when departments need to reserve HUs for future use, the system manages these reservations smoothly. It's like having an inventory superhero on your team. They say knowledge is power, and that's especially true when it comes to handling units. Let us dive into how SAP S/4HANA helps you keep your finger on the pulse of your HU operations. Right out of the box, you get standard SAP reports that show you exactly what's happening with your HUs. But that's just the beginning. Custom reports using CDS views lets you slice and dice HU data any way you want. It's like having a crystal ball for your logistic operations. Want to know what's happening right now? Real-time monitoring shows you HU movements as they happen. Key performance indicators (KPIs) tell you how well your HU processes are working, measuring things like throughput, utilization, and cycle times. For the data geeks out there, analytical apps let you deep dive into HU performance analysis. If something goes wrong, exception reporting quickly identifies the issue. And for audit purposes, historical tracking lets you see the complete life story of any HU. It's like having a logistics command center at your fingertips. Buckle up, because we are about to peek behind the curtain of SAP S/4HANA's handling unit configuration. Think of system configuration as building the foundation of your HU management. Get this right, and everything else falls into place. First up is customizing packaging materials. This is where you define the physical characteristics of your HUs. You will also set up number ranges for HU numbers, ensuring every HU gets a unique identifier. User roles and authorizations are crucial. You need to control who can do what with HUs. Defining handling unit types and groups helps you categorize and manage different kinds of HUs effectively. Movement types tell the system how HUs should flow through your warehouse. One of the most important aspects is configuring put away and picking strategies. This determines how efficiently your warehouse operates. Finally, you will establish business rules for HU management, setting up guidelines for how HUs should be handled in different situations. It's like being the architect of your own logistics universe. Here is the future of warehouse management, where handling units meet mobility. In today's fast paced warehouse environment, being tied to a desktop computer just doesn't cut it. That's where SAP Fiori apps come in, bringing HU management to the palm of your hand. These aren't just scaled down versions of desktop transactions, they are specially designed for mobile use, with intuitive interfaces that make sense on smaller screens. RF devices in the warehouse connect directly to SAP, allowing real-time updates as HUs move around. What happens if your network goes down? No problem. Offline capabilities ensure you can keep working, with data syncing automatically when a connection is restored. Need to print HU labels on the go? Mobile printing has got you covered. The user interface is designed for speed, with gesture-based controls that warehouse staff can use even while wearing gloves. And here's the cool part. These mobile solutions integrate directly with warehouse automation systems, creating a seamless flow between human operators and automated equipment. Hey, a quick pause here. If you find this information valuable, consider subscribing to our channel. We release new content every week to help you kickstart your career and create your nation. Alright, let's continue. Unlock success with expert insights on best practices and troubleshooting. Learn proven techniques to streamline processes, avoid common pitfalls, and tackle challenges efficiently. Master the skills to boost performance and achieve excellence. Want to know the secrets of HU management success? You are in the right place. After years of experience and countless implementations, we have gathered the best practices that can make or break your handling unit processes. First and foremost, standardization is key. Having clear rules for packaging materials and HU types. Think of it as creating a common language for your warehouse. Consistent naming conventions might seem boring, but trust me, they're lifesavers when things get busy. Automation is your friend. Use it wherever possible to reduce errors and speed up processes. Keep an eye on system performance. Regular optimization ensures your HU processes run smoothly even as volume grows. Training is crucial. Make sure your warehouse personnel know the system inside and out. Don't set it and forget it. Regularly review and adjust your strategies as your business evolves. And perhaps most importantly, maintain clean master data. It's like keeping your house in order. It makes everything else easier. Follow these best practices and you will be well on your way to HU management excellence. Even the best laid plans sometimes go awry, but don't worry, we have got your back. Let us talk about troubleshooting handling unit issues in SAP S/4HANA. First, we will explore common error messages and their resolutions so you can quickly address frequent system challenges. Next, we will dive into performance optimization techniques to improve system efficiency and reduce downtime. We will also discuss strategies for resolving data inconsistencies, ensuring your data remains accurate and reliable. When things escalate, you will learn proper support escalation procedures, helping you reach solutions faster. We will also cover logging and tracing methods to identify the root cause of issues, crucial for pinpointing problems accurately. Recovery procedures for failed processes will be explained, equipping you to restore normal operations swiftly. Lastly, we will highlight the use of test environments for problem recreation, a critical tool for diagnosing and fixing issues without impacting live systems. With these skills, you will be well prepared to tackle troubleshooting challenges head on. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest trends and features in the tech world. From AI innovations to cutting edge automation tools, discover how these advancements can elevate your skills and drive success. Imagine a warehouse where handling units move like magic, guided by invisible hands. That's the power of automation. Let us explore how SAP S/4HANA turns this science fiction into reality. RF devices are your first step into automation, capturing data automatically as HUs move through the warehouse. But that's just the beginning. Automated guided vehicles (AGVs) can transport HUs autonomously, like robot forklifts that never need a coffee break. Conveyor systems with automatic routing send HUs exactly where they need to go, creating a highway system for your products. Want to free up your workers' hands? Pick by voice systems let them work eyes free, guided by voice commands. Automated packaging systems can create HUs without human intervention, ensuring consistent packing every time. Robotic palletizing takes the heavy lifting out of stacking HUs, and smart rack systems know exactly what's stored where. All of these automation possibilities work together, orchestrated by SAP S/4HANA, to create a symphony of efficient movement in your warehouse. Ready to take your handling unit game to the next level? Let us explore some advanced features that can supercharge your logistics operations. First up is serial number management at the HU level, perfect for when you need to track individual items within a container. Batch determination strategies help you manage products with expiration dates or specific production runs. Special handling indicators are like VIP passes for HUs that need extra attention. Maybe they are fragile or need specific temperature controls. Speaking of temperature, some HUs can be equipped with monitoring devices, ensuring sensitive goods stay in the right conditions. For companies operating across multiple locations, cross-planned HU tracking keeps everything coordinated. Dealing with dangerous goods? Special features ensure proper handling and documentation. And if you need to perform value-added services on HUs, like repackaging or labeling, the system tracks these activities too. These advanced features are like having a Swiss Army knife of logistics capabilities. Thank you. For more insights on handling units in SAP S/4HANA, feel free to explore additional resources or ask questions. We appreciate your time and hope this session has added value to your SAP learning journey. Let us wrap this up with something special. At ZaranTech, our research team just compiled the complete SAP module journey and learning blueprint. Want those insightful videos flowing into your inbox? Follow our channel and like this video or comment SAP career below. Next week, we are revealing which SAP modules have the highest fresher hiring rate in 2024. Don't miss it. Hit that notification bell.
Thank you for watching our video. Are you looking to elevate your career in SAP or start learning from the ground up? Look no further than our comprehensive SAP courses on the Teachable platform. We have partnered with industry experts to bring you self-paced courses covering the entire spectrum of SAP solutions, ERP, HANA, SuccessFactors, and more. Learn at your convenience from anywhere in the world. SAP professionals design our courses with years of real-world experience. They will guide you through comprehensive curriculums, blending theory with practical applications and real-world examples. Engage with interactive video lessons, quizzes, exercises, and hands-on projects. Apply what you learn immediately and solidify your understanding. Once enrolled, you will have lifetime access to the course materials, allowing you to revisit them whenever needed. And upon completion, you will receive a certificate to showcase your newfound SAP expertise. With affordable pricing and flexible payment options, investing in your SAP education has always been challenging. Take advantage of this opportunity to take your skills to new heights. Head over to our Teachable page, explore our course offerings, and enroll today to kickstart your journey toward becoming an SAP expert.